Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of MEXC trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey in cryptocurrency, MEXC offers a platform that caters to all your trading needs. MEXC is renowned for its user-friendly interface, a broad selection of cryptocurrencies, and robust trading features. When you engage in MEXC trading, you gain access to advanced trading tools, allowing you to execute your strategies efficiently. The platform supports various trading pairs and offers competitive fees, which means more profit for you. But that's not all. By using the referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock even more benefits. When you register on MEXC with this code, you not only enhance your trading experience, but also gain access to exclusive promotions and rewards designed to give your trading journey a significant boost. Imagine being part of a community that supports each other and shares valuable insights. MEXC trading isn't just about transactions. It's about being part of a growing network of traders who are passionate about cryptocurrency. With features like futures trading and margin trading, MEXC is equipped to help you maximize your gains while minimizing risks. So whether you are looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other altcoin, MEXC has you covered. Remember, every great trader began where you are right now. Don't miss out on the enhanced trading experience and potential rewards by using the referral code 12K4M5. In conclusion, join the MEXC trading community today, leverage the tools at your disposal, and take your trading to the next level. Don't forget to apply the referral code 12K4M5 during your registration to unlock those fantastic perks. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos to enhance your cryptocurrency journey. Happy trading!